Howdy folks, this is Ken Ivy of Living Water Digital, and I'm working on your website and hopefully helping you guys enter the club tickets that you guys have sold. So right now you guys are selling the discounted tickets, and when you get the new tickets, then we'll be able to sell those as well. So here's the website. It's caronice.com. You do not have to be logged in to enter tickets, but you do need to have the password to your club's page so that you can enter these tickets. So feel free to browse around the website and stuff, but really quickly I'm going to show you how to enter some tickets. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to concentrate on the Breakfast Club. And so for right now I've created temporary passwords. We will replace them with actual passwords after we're done with beta testing. Once all the testing's done, we'll give you real passwords that you can use to enter your tickets. So right now, if you just want to play with it, the Breakfast Club password is breakfast. The Noon Club password is noon. The Two Rivers Club password is Two Rivers, 2 words, space between them, no capitalization. So breakfast, noon, Two Rivers, no capitalization. If you have any problems, send me an email. Just click this link. It should open up an email thing for you. So let's click on Breakfast Club. I'm going to go ahead and do that. It should, pardon me, ask me for a password. I'm going to type in breakfast and click enter. Excuse me. Okay, so now that we're in, we can enter our tickets. So right now you can see the form that is available to you now is the Breakfast Club discounted tickets. That's the discount pricing and also the discount quantities. So as you scroll down, you can see how many entries. Your tickets right now correspond to this. 1 for 10, 3 for 25, 8 for 50, 20 for 100. So once you guys have all of your discounted tickets open, then we'll probably replace this form with the regular price tickets. So once everybody has entered that and let us know, we'll change the form that's available for you guys. So Breakfast Club discounted ticket entry. I'm just going to create a false one here for testing, and I'm going to name it, let me see, how about Donnie Osmond. Everybody loves Donnie Osmond. I'm going to use my own email. Oops. Now what you'll do is instead of using your email, you will use the email that the person that bought the ticket listed. So if Donnie Osmond bought the ticket, it's probably going to be like donnieosmond@gmail.com. Whatever is on your ticket is what you put here. Don't put your email address here. Put whoever bought the ticket's email address. Now this is not going to send them any information. Okay, we're not going to bother them and pester them with this ticket information. They've already bought the ticket. They know they bought the ticket. They know who they bought it from. You're the point of contact. There's no sense in sending emails from the website. Okay. Later on, if they're the winner, they'll get emails and stuff like that. But for these purposes of ticket entry, there's no need to send them an email. Phone number. So whatever phone number is on the ticket is what you'll put here. I'm going to put mine as if I had bought the ticket. And then how many entries? Right now you can see there's 1 for $10, and so there's only one date and one time that you can enter. If you have sold a ticket with 20, then what's going to happen is the form will change and give you opportunity to enter 20 separate dates and times for the guests, for whenever the car falls through the ice. Okay. Also, while you're doing this, as soon as you submit the form, it's going to document the IP address, your IP address, and the time that it was entered, so that we'll be able to use that to correspond with other information later. So right now, I'm just going to put, let's say 3 for 25, so it tells you 25, so that should correspond with what's on your ticket, if that's what they bought. And I'm going to pick 3 dates and times. So let me pick January 25th, And let's see, you can use this little scroll thing here if you want, or you can just put in the time there. I'm going to put PM for that one. And let's see, let's pick another date. Let's see, let's say, what's that, February 7th, okay? And I'll put 3:07 a.m. for that. And you can tab through these two if you want to. The third one, I'll stick in January, so January 31st. And let's do like 10 p.m. or something. And again, you can use these arrows to change this. Let's see. Or if you just want to type it, you can do, let's say 10:57 p.m. Okay. So right now, this has all the information that is on my imaginary ticket. It's in there correct. Once you submit it, it's done. You can't come back and edit this. So if you have submitted a ticket in error, you're going to have to send an email or something like that and say, hey, this ticket is bad. I entered it at such and such time, and I re-entered the correct one directly after that, so it'll be easiest for us to find and delete if necessary. I think all my information is correct here. I've got all the stuff that I need, and you'll understand that these fields aren't required. If you don't have an email, you can still submit a ticket because not everybody bought a ticket has email, or vice versa, a phone. As long as you have some point of contact for your ticket buyer, we're good to go. This is just for our information, so we can contact them later if we need to. So, bought 3 tickets. I'm going to go ahead and enter them now. So I'm going to click enter. And since I'm from the Breakfast Club, I'm going to get a little notice. Frank is the point of contact at the Breakfast Club. And so this is saying, okay, we'll send you a confirmation of this entry in a minute. So Frank is going to get an email with all the details of this ticket. Okay, so again, if you sent a ticket in error and made some mistakes, go ahead and the email that you get, you can forward that to me here, ken@kenivy.com, and we'll take care of that. So you'll get this thing, and assuming that you're going to enter another ticket, you can go ahead and click this link, which is, as you can see down here in the bottom left-hand corner, is the URL, the address to another Breakfast Club ticket entry. So it's going to basically refresh this page. So you can do that again if you wanted to. I'll go ahead and click that. All right. And so now it allows me, since I've already entered the password, to go ahead and do this. So it'll remember that you have entered the password for a certain amount of time, then it'll expire. So you don't have to keep entering the password each time. But right now, if I wanted to, I could go ahead and enter another ticket. But that's how you do your club tickets. Again, the password's temporary for now. Breakfast, no capitals. Noon, no capitals. And then 2 rivers, 2 words with a space in between it. 2 rivers, no capitals. Those are the passwords to get into your ticket sales page. I don't think there's anything else we need to cover, but if you have any questions, just let me know. If you have any issues entering tickets, let me know. In the meantime, if you want to test and just enter fake tickets just to make sure the system's working, then go ahead and do that, and we will go from there. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.